Hi everyone, Emily Kenison here, the founder of RobeCurls, and super excited to announce that our team has put together our very first event, which is going to be held this Sunday virtually. And if you're thinking this Sunday is Father's Day, then you have put two and together. And yes, it is a virtual Father's Day workshop open to all father figures, anyone important in making you the awesome person that you are today. And the goal of it is to teach them an awesome new skill set, which is how to curl your hair. The idea behind this is that when I'd ask my dad to put my hair in a bun as a kid, he'd take a hamburger bun and put my hair in it. So we're trying to avoid that situation. Yes, dad jokes are funny, but sometimes they get old. Yeah, teach them a new skill set, give you all an opportunity to bond. So if you want to learn more, which I highly recommend you do, just go to robecurls.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a new tab called Events. Yay! Click on that, and it'll take you to our Father's Day virtual workshop event page where you can sign up. It is free between 12 to 3 p.m. Eastern this Sunday. It's an hour long though, so you choose the time block you want. And RSVP is limited since we want to keep this pretty intimate, since that's a better way to get to know each other, help teach each other new things, and also have way more fun and a blast. There will be plenty of dad jokes, and you'll learn something new. And the idea is not to get things perfect, but just to be present and have this swell time with your father figure. So hope to see you there.